guys first give me a huge thumbs up before I get started. I would like to be doing a shout out to Sneak Attack Squad. I've been watching loads of your videos. So let's get this video started. So these are my detachments here. And I know that isn't much because I haven't been going shop recently because of this COVID. I got this zombie gun off my dad because it was like this checkout and output, sorry. And this is the whole zombie gun. So these are my 2x shots here. So all you need, so Mum, can you hold this again? So these 2x shots here, pull back, pull back. And you can get 2 of them in a packet like this. And it actually, there's a shotgun that you load like that. You do this for this gun like that. And this is called Shirley, I think, And then this gun was what I made on my own. So I got these 2 pistols, I got lots of sellotape, put it together. And all you need is this, and then get you that. You got double the shot. And then you have the active strike. So you put the dart through here, like that. And then you have my favourite, my dad's favourite gun. You can turn it. And like this. See the switch? You switch this for directions. See that?
Cool.
And then this holds 50 darts, that one. And then the tiniest, this is like that. And then you have to turn it yourself like this. And then I just got this gun yesterday for my my favourite cousin Ronan, and he had a pack with this. I used 2 of these guns, so these go together. And then there's this, and it's called a vagabond. Wait, what does that say?
A vagabond.
A vagabond gun. So you do that. So what else do I have? Oh, literally. Look at that. Then there's this. It's so hard to pull back. For that. Outward. Close. Out. Out. This isn't really a Nerf gun, but it's a bit like a gun because you just load it there. It's really hard to bring back. And then there's this zombie gun, like, once you run out, yeah. That would be the end of my arsenal, but I do have more Nerf guns, but I'm in the process of moving house, so some have in storage and some are in boxes. So before I go, I would like to be doing 2 more shout outs. One to Eli and Liam. I like your videos. And Say cakes. I like your videos. Goodbye.